Hey, I'm so glad that you joined. I wanted to show you exactly what we're going to do next. We are going to pick your launch party dates, and they're going to be this week. And then while I'm doing that work with you, which is going to be super easy, I'm going to invite you to this group. And what you're going to do is you're going to start where it says start here in Unit 1, Week 1. You can go at your own pace, but I highly recommend that you start definitely start this video right away. And there's some tasks to send to me so I'll know you're watching it, which is cool. You will love how Suzanne puts this together, and I'm not going to give you anything else to watch because I want you to get started. Check in at each of the points. Make sure you do at least one of the tasks every day. Like this is a task, and then you'll click done right there, and then you'll go to the next one, okay? And click done when you're done, etc. It's going to be so great, so organized. I'm so glad you're on the team. I can't wait to get started with you. Again, my name is Wendy. And let's rock this, my friend.